So what I'm going to do in this video, so these are like you have my Ninja ETFs. These are like Secret Service ninjas. They go in before and do the real dangerous stuff. So they're like punts, so you don't put your whole portfolio on it, but they'll more than likely move faster than a Ninja ETF. So special licenses required, and if some people like this, I'll do it every Sunday afternoon. Alright, so I'll go through them quick because there's a few of them. So the idea is that they've got good charts and a good story, because that always helps. Okay, so A1M, they're a copper producer. We got AEE, so they're targeting production 2027 uranium. Alligator Energy, so developer South Australia uranium. AMI, producer, got a subscriber, he's involved with this company. I'm sure he'll be happy about this. They had a few production wobbles, but it looked like they're back on track. Arafura, rare earths, starting 2027, did a capital raise. Some of these I've had as buys before too. Australian Strategic Materials, they've been a bit of a dog too, but they're another rare earths play. Looks like they're getting their act together. BHM, so it's a silver play. So these are in alphabetical order, if I didn't say that. Blackstone Minerals, nickel copper PG project. Coal stock, Indonesia. Carnaby, copper gold project in Queensland, nice volume. Caspian Resources, we got old Billy, he likes this one. It's got everything: tin, gold, nickel, copper, cobalt, platinum. Giddy up. Critica, so another rare earths, that was an old buy. Centaurus, so nickel sulfide project. So all these are sort of, I guess from a buying perspective, just coming out of a wedge and then basing and then up. That's what we're looking for. Satire, CTT, so this one's a bit out of the box. See, this one was given to me by a subscriber. Global online retailer, high-end stuff. Anyway, looks good. Caravel Minerals, with a copper project. Cygnus, copper gold project. It's an old buy. CYM, Cyprium, so copper production, good volume. Cyanata, bit of a tech one, this one, stem cell research. Delta, lithium, just starting to break out. Dreadnought, it's a gold play. I did have that as a buy before. Anyway, keep it on your that's a ripper, isn't it? E79, actually this is from Sham, a subscriber. Gold copper exploration, put his head up, said hello. Ecograph, so they're I don't have what they're doing. Anyway, the chart looks good. Had some big volume there. EL8, Elevate, so uranium looks good. They're going into production, I think. Yeah, advancing to production. So you'll see the nuclear space is getting a bit hot. EMRIA, EMD, mental health tech stock, looks good. ENR, critical minerals, bit of copper, popping its head up. Flagship minerals, so this is come from another subscriber too, Tinker Table. So they're gold, copper. GBR, Great Boulder Resources. So gold, poking its head up. Gallon Lithium, on the broken doing the basing. Gateway Mining, so resource of gold explorer, looks like a giddy up. GRR, Grange Resources, iron ore. Haranga Resources, a bit of gold, a bit of uranium in Africa. Hastings Technologies, metals, so another rare earth play. Havilia, so it's a copper, gold, cobalt. Hot Chili, I had that one in a buy, it still looks good, breaking the magic $1. HGO, Hillgrove, just opened their copper gold mine, looks good to go. Horizon, that was an old buy, so some of these are old ones. Horizon, so gold producer. Hazer Group, got a special sort of converts natural gas into clean hydrogen, that type of space, nice spacing. INR, lithium, as that declining wedge break, consolidate up. IR1, Iris Metals, Uganda, I think another rare earth play. Might get stalled up here, but it's we're buying. Idea is to try and buy somewhere near the bottom. Investigator, I kept big time. So tell me if you've bought any of these and made some money, and give us a tip if you feel like it. The rooster likes tips. Anyway, he looks good to go still. Silver's looking pretty hot. Ionic rare earths, so it hasn't broken yet, but it's getting squeezed. Kaiser Reef, they're gold, just a small gold producer. Lake Resources, so another lithium play, bit of volume coming into the squeeze. Lotus, so this is from another subscriber. First production Q3, so another uranium one, looks good. Larvoto, so it's a gold, that looks good. Meteoric, that's another rare earth one. Mount Gibson iron, so iron ore, it's the second iron ore one in there. MLX, producing tin company. MTC, Metals Tech, gold, silver, lithium, all the magic numbers. New Frontier Minerals, NFM, Northern Territory. Rare earths, uranium, silver, gold, it's all happening. Nova Minerals, critical minerals, Alaska. Peninsula Energy. So they just started they had some issues with their production uranium. Looks like they're coming off the bottom with some good volume. Patterson Resources, so gold. It has run a bit already, was a buy, but anyway, keep running if it goes past that resistance. Petronas, PTN. So it's from a subscriber, John Doe. Got some cluey subscribers in here. So that looks good. Gold play. QPM Energy. So nickel sulfide production. Anyway, they broke through the wedge here. So anyway, keep it on the. If it just can hang around here for a bit, then run. Go. RCM. This is another silver. Terrible. Been restructured and constructed. Anyway, it looks alright. REE. Rare X. So obviously rare earth deposits. RIM. So this is actually a subscriber from Sham. Another critical minerals project. Sonatus. So it's a this is a techie type stock. Encryption. Looks good. Sunshine Metals, gold, copper, zinc, lead, silver, Queensland. Sky Metals, tin project, very nice. Consolidate, break. STM, so gold, copper. So I forgot to put the squeeze in here. So a little bit late, but it looks like it just wants to keep going. Savannah Goldfields, some volume coming in this week. So remember, sometimes these things come back and test, but not all the time. Terra Metals, that's a bit late, Rudy. Yeah, that's a bit late. Sorry, I'll delete that one. Savannah Goldfields, just starting gold production. Tesoro Gold. So another tip from a subscriber. So Chile. Triple T. Titomic. So they got a special cold spray technology for industrial scale metal additives. So a bit in that space. It looks like it's saying giddy up. Wildcat Resources. So it's another tip from Sham. So another lithium and gold, all the ones you want. So it's just broken out of the wedge, consolidating. Looks like it wants to go, and then last on the list. Oh, that's Zenith Minerals, ZNC. Another gold. Anyway, these are all weekly charts we're looking at too. So a bit of volume, a bit of consolidation. So might keep running. All right, they're the Roosters tips. If you take any of them and you do good, tell us. If you do bad, don't. No, you can tell us. All right then. Good luck. See ya.